Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change graphic settings in Rec Room. Adjusting the graphic settings in Rec Room can improve performance, reduce lag, or make the game look even better depending on your device. First of all, in order to do that, open the Rec Room application on your device, whether you are using your PC, VR headsets, or mobile device, and log into your account if you haven't already. After you are inside, make sure that you are inside the menu button. If you are playing the game or if you are in the dorm, make sure to tap on the wristwatch icon at the top left. This will open up this section from where you'll need to tap on the settings icon at the bottom right. Under settings, click on visuals at the top, and then under quality, you have two different options that you can choose from, that is low and high. Choose the setting that best balances performance and visual quality for your device. If you are running on low spec devices, then you can go ahead and choose low under graphic quality. If you have high performing device, you can choose high. After you do that, you have successfully changed the graphic setting for your Rec Room account. You can now get back to the game and see if that improves your graphic settings. In my case, yes, it does. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.